Hi, this is John with WTI, and with one of my favorite chocolates I've always had. This is a Ritter Sport. In this case, this is the hazelnut flavor. So one of the things that I like the most of this chocolate is how the consistency. It tastes great. You feel the chocolate, but at the same time, you're feeling the hazelnut right there from from the moment you give your first bite. So this tastes great. It tastes awesome. So it's a high quality chocolate. It's gonna make you feel like this is great. And at the same time, they're not picky or they're not leaving you just a little bit of hazelnut. You're gonna feel the hazelnut in every single bite of this chocolate. So if you're just trying to have like a good snack or something to eat that is going to be sweet, good chocolate, high quality chocolate, this option here from Reader Sport is a great one for you. This was John with WTI. That was my point of view.